Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I wish all of you are fine. This is your another video class, chemistry video class for you for class 10. So before starting my lecture, you just take your book because I am explaining page to page. So open page number 282, chapter 11. So at first go to my laptop screen. This is page number 282. In my last class, I told about addition polymer. Today, I will explain section number 11.7.2. This is condensation polymer. The polymerization reaction in which the monomer molecules release small molecules such as water and carbon dioxide, etc. during their joining one another is called condensation polymerization reaction. So nylon 66 polymer is produced in this condensation polymerization reaction. Production of nylon 6:6. Nylon 6:6 is produced when adipic acid is heated with hexamethylenediamine in presence of titanium dioxide. So here the formula of hexamethylenediamine is given, but in our book this is wrong, because this is the formula of adipic acid. So you should write this adipic acid here, and this hexamethylenediamine is this compound. So you should write this hexamethylenediamine here in place of the adipic acid. So this is hexamethylenediamine and this is adipic acid, and this is nylon 6:6. So I am writing this reaction in my board. The topic is condensation polymer. Condensation polymer. Okay. Condensation polymer. So at first I am writing the reactions which is given in my book. COOH, then CH2 4 times, then COOH n times. That is, this compound we should write n times. This is adipic acid. The another name of adipic acid is hexamethylene dioic acid. Hexamethylene dioic acid. Dioic acid means 2COOH. That's why dioic acid. Hexamethylene means total carbon number is 6. Carbon 4, 5 and 6. So another name of this compound is adipic acid. When this compound is added with hexamethylenediamine. This is hexamethylenediamine. Hexamethylene means carbon number 6. Hexamethylenediamine, because one amine, NH2, another amine. That's why one amine, diamine, hexamethylene, because carbon number 6. Okay, when these two compounds are added with each other, then nylon 6:6 produced. When titanium oxide is given and some heat is applied in this reaction. Suppose these OH and this H can make H2O, water, and this OH and this H can also make H2O, that means water. Here this compound is n times and this compound is n times, so we should write n here and here. Then what can I write? I write this CO bond is free because OH is leaving, then CH2 6, then CO, then NH, then CH2 6 times, then NH bond is free. Bond is free. This is nylon. This is nylon 6:6. So how can I write this reaction? When this OH attached with this H produces water, and this OH attached with this hydrogen produces water, then remaining part is CH2 the CH2 4 CO is attached with this NH. CO is attached with NH. You know, this CONH is called peptide bond. Peptide bond. CONH is called peptide bond. I will explain it in another class because this is not given in our book. Okay. Then CH2 6 times, then NH, this NH. Here n moles of this compound. That's why we should write one bond free. N moles of this compound, so we should write one bond free and close this compound and write N. This is a polymerization reaction because innumerous number of monomer that attached with each other produces a polymer. In this reaction, water is separated, water is eliminated. That's why this is called condensation polymerization reaction. The process, the polymerization reaction in which water or carbon dioxide is released. Water or carbon dioxide is released is called condensation polymerization reaction. So you should memorize this reaction. Memorize this reaction properly. Okay. So this is called nylon 6:6 because carbon number 1, 4 and 1, 4, that means 5, 6, up to this portion 6, then another 6 carbon. That's why the name of this compound is nylon 6:6. This nylon 6:6 is used in various purposes, so we should read it in college level. Then my new topic is at page number 283. This is natural polymer and then synthetic polymer or plastic. This is natural polymer. Many polymers are produced naturally, such as cellulose and starch in plants. You know this, cellulose and starch is produced in plant. Both of them are natural polymer which are formed from many glucose molecules. Here protein is a polymer of amino acid. You know, innumerous number of monomer, that means amino acid, when attached with each other, protein is produced. So similar way you should memorize this type of polymers. This is polythene. The formula of its monomer is given, its property and uses, and similarly polypropylene, PVC and nylon 6:6, and its formula of monomer is given, property of polymer is given, and uses also given. I have already explained all 4 polymers, so you should memorize it properly. Then you can write it in your exam copy, inshallah. Then synthetic polymer. Actually, synthetic polymer is not produced naturally. We should produce in our requirement. Plastic is available in hard, light, cheap, and in any choiceable color. We can produce plastic because it is used in different purposes. So this plastic is a synthetic polymer. The word plastic has come from the Greek word plastikos. Sometimes it comes in our MCQ, plastikos, which means possible to melt. Many of us make various minerals by melting the rejected plastic parts. It is dangerous because burning or melting this type of plastics, it produces so many toxic gases. This type of toxic gases creates different type of pollution, and it has a devastating effect in ozone layer also. Plastic is widely used to produce various products like pots for keeping food, packets, pan bowls, chairs, tables, motor parts, water tanks, bowls, buckets, mugs, etc. So plastic is important in our daily life, but we should produce in a proper way, and that is very important for our life. So from today's lecture I have explained condensation polymer. So you should memorize it properly. Inshallah, in my next class I will explain another topic. So you should write this type of reactions in your homework copy, then I will check it. Stay safe and read properly. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.